Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert source in Word using Zotero without using the additional method from Preferences tab. To do so, you need first to install the Zotero application. Just go to your browser, type Zotero, click on download, and from here you will be able to download Zotero for Windows, also Zotero connector, which is quite useful because this will allow you to save sources directly from websites, online journals, or Google Scholar. And this is the icon for the Zotero connector. Let me show you also the application. It is the usual application with tabs. And here are the references I have already downloaded. Let's do a real example. For instance, I want to download this reference. I will just click right here. It will be downloaded into my application, Zotero software. Here it is Zotero software, means of bibliographic research and data organization, teaching bibliographic research. It has already been downloaded right here. Let me show you how you can insert the citation now. And one another piece of information. So once you install the Zotero application, the Zotero add-in, it will automatically insert the link into your Microsoft Word program. And it will appear right here. You can see here the ribbon appeared with some groups or some functionality like add citation, add bibliography, insert notes, and here you can manage your citation styles. Now let's insert citation, and to do so, just place the cursor where you want your citation to be added, then click on add. Let's add this one, Zotero software, then press enter. As you can see here, the citation is added to our documents. Now let's add the bibliography, and to create the bibliography, just move at the end of the documents. Then click on Add Edit Bibliography. You see here, the Zotero automatically inserts the full list of references I have cited. We can change also the citation style. The most appropriate one, we will click just right here, Document Preferences. Then we'll choose one of these styles, for instance, IEEE. Of course, the right style depends on the discipline. For example, APIA is for social sciences, Chicago for in humanities, and IEEE in engineering. I will be using this one, IEEE. As you can see here, it has been changed. And that's it. With Zotero, you can collect sources directly from the web and manage all your citations and bibliographies automatically in Word. Thanks for watching.